Roselle here from Yummy.ph. Let's make these delicious looking patis-glazed chicken wings. First, combine all the chicken marinade ingredients. Feel free to add other herbs and spices to your marinade. Place the chicken for 30 minutes covered in the refrigerator after you add the marinade ingredients. Make the patis-glaze. Combine all these ingredients in a saucepan over medium-low heat. Want your sauce spicy? Add gochu-garu, togarashi, hot pepper flakes, or even some fresh siling dabuya for some heat. Let the sugar dissolve, then increase the heat to boil off the vinegar's acidity. Add the cornstarch slurry, then stir vigorously until the mixture thickens. Set aside. Keep it warm. Make the breading station. Place flour and egg in separate bowls. Season both with salt and pepper to taste for better flavor. Get the chicken, it's ready for breading. Coat the wings in flour. Shake off any excess, then dip in the beaten egg. For extra crispness, dredge the chicken again in the flour. Double coating your chicken in flour ensures that you get super crispy fried chicken. Now you're ready to fry. Use a deep, heavy bottom pot or pan for deep frying. Add the wings to the pan and deep fry for 10 to 12 minutes or until golden brown and the chicken is cooked through. How can you tell that the chicken is cooked through? Test its weight. If it feels super light, it's cooked and ready to come out of the oil. Drizzle just enough glaze on the chicken, or you can also toss the chicken in the glaze, then serve. You can top it with fried shallots and fried chili leaves, or serve with any remaining sauce on the side. Hope you try the recipe!